United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea. Article 147. 1. Activities in the area shall be carried out with reasonable regard for other activities in the marine environment. 2. Installations used for carrying out activities in the area shall be subject to the following conditions. A. Such installations shall be erected, emplaced and removed solely in accordance with this part and subject to the rules, regulations and procedures of the authority. Due notice must be given of the erection, emplacement and removal of such installations, and permanent means for giving warning of their presence must be maintained. B. Such installations may not be established where interference may be caused to the use of recognized sea lanes essential to international navigation, or in areas of intense fishing activity. C. Safety zones shall be established around such installations with appropriate markings to ensure the safety of both navigation and the installations. The configuration and location of such safety zones shall not be such as to form a belt impeding the lawful access of shipping to particular maritime zones or navigation along international sea lanes. D. Such installations shall be used exclusively for peaceful purposes. E. Such installations do not possess the status of islands. They have no territorial sea of their own, and their presence does not affect the delimitation of the territorial sea, the exclusive economic zone, or the continental shelf. 3. Other activities in the marine environment shall be conducted with reasonable regard for activities in the area.